Are you ready for some new skincare and some skincare items to get obsessed over? I already am. So let me share them with you. My first wonderful find is from CVS. This is the Beauty 360 Extra Thick Premium Cotton Squares. I took a look at these and I said, you look like my Shiseido cotton. Let me go ahead and pick you up. I'll do a close-up to show you. If Shiseido's facial cotton has, not in your budget, or you just like, I just can't spend the, justify the price, pick this extra thick version of the cotton squares. Those are the ones I feel that is the closest to Shiseido. Not so much as, okay, the thickness is the same as the thickness as Shiseido, more so with the softness. So I'm not sure if the regular squares, they may be thinner, they may tear apart, whereas Shiseido's will not do that on me. It's been my experience. The extra thickness of this, I feel, has that cushion to it, and it doesn't tear. It still absorbs the toner, and I'm able to still apply it onto my skin without wasting product. Very close, I feel, in comparison to Shiseido. Next up are some cleansing wipes, and I got these over at Walmart. They had a huge lemon display, so that was what caught my eye. This is from Clean & Clear. It's the lemon cleansing wipes, and it actually has vitamin C in it. Even though you might have a wipe that has vitamin C in it, or it just has some sort of other property in it that's supposed to really help your skin, the cotton wipes, just like a cleanser, it's not on the skin long enough, I feel, to make a difference. So this is going to be something where it's going to allude to your senses and that brain activity to make you feel that, oh, I'm getting the vitamin C. Oh, that's going to stay in my skin. But in reality, it's not. So I just wanted to, kind of let you know that. That's their marketing technique. But from a product size, here is what the wipe actually looks like. It's pretty strong, if you can hear that against the microphone. See, I'm trying to tear it like a Brawny Towel commercial. It's not going to tear. Long-wearing, any type of long-wearing eye makeup, I wouldn't recommend using the wipe because it has that vitamin C in it, just some sort of an additional ingredient. I noticed that it felt a little bit like I want to say burning, but there was some sort of a sensitivity there. So I would just use a regular eye makeup remover, take your eye makeup off that way, and just focus the wipe on your face. Next up is from Olay. Now this is from their sensitive line. It's their Hungarian Water Essence Calming Cleansing Water. So think of this as a micellar water. That's how I took it, as something that is going to help remove the makeup. Nothing really, I would say, strong makeup. If you don't wear makeup, you have sensitive skin, this is something I would recommend to use. If face wipes are too rough, abrasive for your skin, again, you have sensitive skin, this is something I would state, okay, this would be for you. This is truly something I personally have used water-wise, micellar water-wise, that is truly sensitive. That's what I've noticed. It's fragrance free, and the back it states it has aloe, cucumber, tea extracts, but it doesn't have the ingredients in which it's going to be like you're going to have some sort of an allergy, some sort of a reaction to your skin. That's what I've noticed. It also has a hydrating properties as far as the ingredients, the niacinamide way up at the top, and then of course it has the aloe vera way up at the top. So you do ingredient wise, excuse me, so you do have a water here that, again, it's very calming, very soothing. But the flip side of that is it's not going to take off, like I would say, waterproof, anything really strong makeup wise. Next up is a face scrub. So I'm kind of going in the order of like how I would put on the products or remove my makeup. Now this is something new, just dropped from the brand Fresh. It's their Sugar Strawberry Exfoliating Face Wash. I am so excited to have this product. So what it states here is an exfoliating wash that is a daily dual action scrub. Formula contains 2 sizes of the sugar, so that's why it doesn't feel abrasive to me. That melt as they micro polish, along with the strawberry extract. It has grapeseed oil, and then the gentle cleansing soap berry peel extract. So that's where the whole cleanser aspect of it comes. I was able to get this through my Octoly store. I have no idea why. Probably because I was on my computer. I am convinced that when I'm searching for products and I'm looking up reviews and I'm looking for something on my computer, it's like my Olay company, the store is like Big Brother. Oh, she's looking at Fresh. Oh, she's looking at here. Because then suddenly Fresh, a brand that has never been in my queue before, is available. It was free to me, complimentary to try. But it's funny is I've already had a sample of it, was able to try it. I do like it. And now I rotate between the Fresh and then I rotate between the Skin Food. So I do like this. If you have that strawberry love, the smell of it, it's not overpowering, but you enjoy all that aspect of it, the strawberry, the Fresh brand, and so forth. It's not abrasive again on the skin. This might be something you like. So again, either wash your face, exfoliate, or combine the two. You'll get the job done with that. Next up are two toners that I have. So I'm going to first talk about the one that I am just like maybe a week away from finishing. This is from Pixi. This is the Rose Tonic. Rose and elderflower, yes, nourishing toner. This is a product that it's soothing. If you're a fan of Rose products, you're going to enjoy the Rose line with Pixi. So it's just an expansion of here's the Glow Tonic, you know, their cult toner that's going to exfoliate. Here's the Rose portion, the Rose products, like just another portion of the line. So the Rose Tonic will be the one where you would pick if you don't want an active toner. So instead of looking at the Glow Tonic, maybe that's too strong for your skin, the Rose Tonic might be better for you. The Rose Tonic is also very soothing. So for me, this is why I like this one at night, because I'm not going to use an active toner at night. Subtle rose smell, which I don't mind, but if you don't want any rose scent, this isn't something for you because you will smell the rose. But to me, again, it doesn't bother me. And it just smooths and calms down the skin. That's all it does. Now, the next one is an active toner, but I want to talk about it because it is a new skincare product, but it is also part of my empties. So I'll just briefly brush over it in the empties video next. But this is the Olay, am I pronouncing it right now? Thank you to my viewer who told me how to pronounce it. It's OleHenriksen's Glow OH Dark Spot Toner. This is going to be something where you're going to like it, or you're going to be like, I don't see anything different with it. For someone like myself who has used the Neutrogena Pore Toner, that is my toner of life. AM toner, it's an active toner. My skin reacts very well to glycolic acid. So it's not only helping with the cell turnover, which in a sense is also helping with the dark spots on my skin. It's really helping to clean out my skin, clean out the pores. With Olay, that's kind of what I was, I don't want to say I was expecting that, but that's what I wanted, on top of helping with the dark spots. And that's where the difference lays. Why I'm not going to continue using and purchasing this after the second bottle. This is a dark spot toner that seems to have reacted best on my skin to help with the overall texture of my skin, meaning keeping it smooth, helping with just that, well, cell regeneration. That is what I'm seeing and what I've noticed from really like studying my skin. This helps with the overall texture, and that's it. As far as the dark spots, no. That is not something where I have felt it has like visibly attacked. That is my overall experience. It took me 2 bottles. Well, actually, no, it took me 1 bottle. But it's not like I couldn't return the second bottle because I would have if I could have. I can't return the second bottle. But just the way I had purchased it, I can't return it. But I said, that's fine. I'll go ahead and use it. Use it up, you know, but overall, it's not something I personally am going to pick up and purchase and reuse for a 3rd time. This is also another item that is going to be in my upcoming empties here. I cut it to get every ounce out. Now I can't even read it because everything is smudged off, but it is from Pixi and it's their concentrated conditioning essence. This was also part of the Rose line. Thank God it says it on the back. Now, what is so good about this essence? Yes, I liked it. It has flower oils suspended in a serum-like gel. That's what I liked about it. You just squirt it in your hand, a little bit, press and pat it into your skin, and you're getting that hydration, that gel substance, and then you're getting an antioxidant. And again, not a strong rose scent, but I definitely like that. And that is something I do recommend. And I feel it is for all skin types. If you have very dry skin, you might want to put it in with something else, like one of these creams from Pixie as well. Also part of their rose line that they had sent me. So one is the ceramide cream. This is the rose. And then this one is the rose flash balm. Really, in a nutshell, what this is 2 forms of hydration. One is going to be much richer. One is going to be what I would say would be best for all skin types, but dry. If you are very dry, then you would go with the ceramide cream. So think of this one, well, it even says on here, intense hydration. So good ingredients, rose line, you have that rose water in it, subtle rose scent, but this is giving you the hydration. So if you maybe wanted to try these 2 together, this is for very dry skin. So just one or the other. Very dry skin, intense, and then you have the flash balm. The flash balm has worked great for me. It's a skin booster too when I want to use it just to prep the skin. Prep the skin, put on makeup, or use it as like a primer, prep the skin, and that's all I wear for all day. So I've been liking it for that. Not like a strong glow, but on me, I mean, my skin is already radiant on its own. This kind of just oomps it up a little bit. But again, for all skin types, but very dry. So oily, normal skin. Dry skin too, but not very. And then combination skin. That's the only difference I see between the 2. The last product is a face mist. Now it's new to me that I picked up. It's the 4th Ray Fresh AF. You know what that stands for. Mist. Use it as a spray toner. You can use it as refresher throughout the day. Same mist that comes through just as a mellow mist. It has good ingredients with this as well. It has a hydration benefits up at the top. It's got the aloe, it's got the rose water up at the top. I want to say green tea is in here too. There's an antioxidant, but it's just that, I would say, that alternative. So if you don't mind a rose, just a subtle rose scent. I mean, it's not even overpowering. It's very subtle, but it's a toner alternative. So a spray toner, or you can spray it into your palm and press and pat it as that toner step, or spray it onto a cotton round and then use that on your skin, or use it, you know, in between layers of your makeup. Use it as that hydration during the day. Multiple uses for it. I really do like this spray, and I'm glad I picked this up. And that's it. That's everything that I've picked up. Have been trying new in skincare, late spring, early summer 2019. Thank you very much for stopping by and watching, everyone. Have a wonderful day, wonderful evening, and as always, I'm going to see you in the next video. Goodbye, everyone.